We're gonna be making a small origami rocket. Well, not so small, but kind of small. So first you need a piece of paper, a bendy straw, and scissors. So first we're gonna turn this rectangle piece of paper into a square piece of paper. So what you're gonna do is grab this corner and pull it up until this lines up with this. And the corner folds. So now you got that. You're gonna crease it. Now we're gonna get this piece and flip it over. And we're gonna make this meet with this edge right here when folding up. Now we're gonna cut off this rectangle part right here. So at the crease you just made, we are going to cut it. Okay, now we got a square. So next we're gonna add our creases. So first, we've already done this one. So now we have to fold it the other way diagonally. And then we're gonna do it across. So there's these ones, and now we're gonna do it this way. And then we're gonna open it back up, and now we're gonna do this way. Now we have our lines here, 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 and here. So now what we're gonna do is make this line meet this line on the back. So we're gonna fold it like this. So now they're meeting. Now we're gonna push this down to meet it. And we're gonna flatten that back out. So now we have this so far. So we're gonna put this flat on the table. And now you start at the top and you can fold this side down too. Make sure it's at a point at the top. So now you fold this side down too. Now you have this. So now you see we have these 4 flaps. We're gonna grab the first one, and there's this line right here. We're gonna fold it to the line. Next, we're gonna do it to the other flap. Be sure not to pull both flaps up, only the top one. Now fold this one to the line also. Flip it over and do the same. Now, we're gonna grab these 4 little flaps. We're gonna grab this one and bring it to the center line. And do it again to this one. Make sure that it's straight across so that this line is straight and this one is. Now flip it and do the same. Make sure they all 4 line up. Now, ready for the next step, which we're gonna grab one of these 4 flaps. And we're gonna pull one up and bring it out sideways, like, or well, kind of like a little bit at an angle, so this is flat going out. This will be flat. Now we're gonna do the other 4, making sure that it's flat, if we can get it. We'll do it to the other side. Make sure they line up. So there's that. Now for the 4th one. Now, you've done all the folding. Now it's time to open it up. So as you can see in the center, I pull it and there's this hole. So you go in there and open it up and push out the sides, and now it stands up on its own. So now, I'm gonna launch it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in the hole right here, have this be pointing upwards like that, and you blow at it. And it's gonna launch. Now, to improve it, you could make the square that you're gonna be folding this in a little smaller, or you could use thinner paper, like tissue paper, maybe that might work. Or maybe a thicker straw of some sort. You just gotta make sure that it bends up so you can blow up into the rocket. But this was my take of it, and now it's your turn.